stay here, bring it up, and 45 degrees lower. So like this angle. Okay. Now come over this way. Walk to me. Come to me. Come to me. Now turn toward. Hey everybody, and welcome to a new video from Ruben Gorjian Photography. So this time I had a workshop in New York City. As you can see, this is Broadway, full of people, everybody going shopping for a Christmas gift and sale and everything. So the streets were packed. So this is 2 p.m. and what I was trying to teach my students is that in this scenario you have to grab the most of the scene that you are. Right now we are, as I said, in the sidewalk, middle of Broadway, and I have those lights behind the model. So I was trying to get the ambient light lower than what actually is, kill it as much as I can, and create that picture that will wow the clients. Look at this, it's amazing. Then I took a few other pictures, and then I was teaching my students how I did it. I didn't tell them all the settings. I just explained the concept, and they were so amazing by achieving the same results. So my workshops are so important. Education is so important, guys, that you have to educate yourself. Don't come even to my workshop, go to somebody else's workshop, whatever you like, but invest in education. It's so important. It's something is to watch my video or somebody else's video online. Something else is a hands-on practice. Take your camera, experiment with the flash, experiment with 2 flashes, and try to create amazing pictures. Now I added a second off-camera flash. You can see Brooke on the left side is holding an AD200 with the magma sphere and the CTO gel. Why I add a second light is because I want to separate Rose, the model, from the background, from the busy background of New York City. And then I added the CTO gel, look at this, to warm up the images. So guys, this is a short video. It just introduced myself and my workshop. Please sign up to my workshop. You will be amazed by the quality of knowledge that you're gonna receive. And if you like this video, like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram on Ruben Gorjian Photo. Thank you guys.